How to recover deleted Reddit post. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to recover deleted Reddit post. Recovering Reddit or recovering a deleted Reddit post is generally not possible directly through the Reddit app, but you can view your deleted content using a third party archiving like the Wayback machines, or these tools especially is used quickly can often display snapshot of the post and comments removed by user as well. So basically this is not available through the built-in feature, or you cannot use the app, so you have to use alternative ways in order to recover your deleted Reddit post. What you would also do is actually you want to tap the menu bar at the top left and go to help from the list. If you are able to find, you could just go ahead and select the help from the list, or you could just tap the avatar icon and then menu bar, go to settings from the list. Over here, scroll down and go to help center. You could request your file or your data, and in that case you could also recover your deleted Reddit post as well. However, this is not a reliable way, but sometimes if you're lucky enough, you should be able to recover as well. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.